Hi guys, today's chapter is about solving radical equations. Before we dive into an actual examples, please keep in mind that radical equation that you are solving that needs to stay by itself on one side. Okay, always think of the inverse operations. When we're dealing with radical equations, sometimes we deal with extraneous solutions. We'll take a look at that later on, what it means, okay? Let's take an example as x minus 5 equals to negative 2. Okay, the radical equation, this one right here, that needs to be by itself. One way that to get rid of that is by doing the inverse operations. Okay, we are going back to inverse operations. Okay, once you've done that, in order for you to do inverse operations of square root of x, you need to square both. Okay? Once you square both, the square root right here and the 2 cancel each other out. So you should have x equals to 9. Let's see if we get that as a correct answer. Okay, let me go ahead and check it. I'm going to go back to the given equations. Let's see, I'm going to substitute 9 minus 5 equals to negative 2. That's going to give me a 3 minus 5 equals negative 2 is equals to negative 2. Therefore, if that is true, x is 9 is the correct answer. Okay, in this case, you have square root of 7x minus 4 equals to square root 5x plus 10. Okay? In this case, there are radicals on both sides. So what you're going to do is square both. Okay, once you square both, you can get rid of that. Okay, you should have 7x minus 4 equals to 5x plus 10. Again, inverse operation. I want to take the 5x to the other side. I should have 2x minus 4 equals to 10. And I want to solve for x. So I want to take the 4 to the other side. 14 divided by 2. So x should be 7. Let's see if that is correct. Okay, let me check it. Bring back the original. 7x minus 4 equals to 5x plus 10. Okay, let's substitute in 7x times 7 minus 4 equals 5 times 7 plus 10. So that should give me 49 minus 4 is 45 equals 35, 45, and this is correct. Therefore, 7 should be my answer. Let's take this example, number 3. I have negative y equals to y plus 6. Let me square both. Okay, that is gone. So I should have y squared equals to y plus 6. Again, this is quadratic. So I want to make it equal to 0. So I'm gonna bring y squared minus y minus 6 equals 0. Since a is at 1 in this case, I want to find out what those two numbers multiply together to give me negative 6, but add up to negative 1. So I should have negative 3 and positive 2. So my y should be minus 3. Y plus 2 should give me equals 0. Let me split this in half. I should have y minus 3 equals 0. Y plus 2 equals 0. Add 3, minus 2, I should have 3, negative 2. Let's go ahead and check to see if they are the answer. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Let's say y equals to 3. I should have negative 3 equals 3 plus 6, 9. That's not the same. So let y equals to 2. Negative 2 equals 2 plus 6. 8. Negative 2, 3, 9, 3. Oh, hold on. This is negative 2. Okay, so that's negative 2. That's negative 2. So that should give me negative 2. That is, negative 2. Let's make it 2. That's plus 2. That's 4. B2 equals to 2. So this is the only answer. We call this right here is an extraneous solution because you can solve for it. You can solve for the answer, but it does not give you a true answer. Okay, it is not a true answer, so not a true answer. Therefore, this one right here we call extraneous. Extraneous solution. This one, I have 6 negative 2x equals to 10. This needs to be by itself. So let me solve everything. So we're going to have minus 6. And then square root of 2x equals a negative 4. Let me go ahead and square both and see what's going on here. Okay, that's gone. 2x equals 216. X is 8. Let's check it. Okay, let's check and see. 6 minus square root of 2x equals to 10. 6 minus 2 times 8 is that equals to 10. 6 minus 16 equals to 10. 6 minus 4 equals to positive 10. 2 cannot equal to 10. Therefore, technically this is an extraneous solution. We call extraneous solution. In this case, if that's a no extraneous solution, and that's the only one, so I can say no solution. Therefore, it's a no solution. Here's something that you need to look for as well. Every time that you have a principal root, in this case, my principal root is square root of 2x. And then if you have a negative value, every time you have a principal root, how can I spell principal? Oh my goodness. root, and this is the negative value. It's always going to be no solution. Okay, meaning if you have a root like that, it has a negative, and it's automatic no solution. How do I know that? I prove I have a solution, but over there when I prove it, they're not the same. Okay, let's